Hello, YouTube. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to open some Pokemon, and we've been...
Five Mines packed?
5 Mines packed. New some GKs, and first is that one, money.
Okay, so which one do you want to do first, Miles? You want to open the Pokemon?
Actually, I want to open the Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels first?
Yep.
Okay, right here.
So first,
Here,
I'm going...
look. We're going to open the Hot Wheels right here.
And first,
I'm
going to start with...
the Toon 64 Chevy Impala. Okay, right here. Oh, yep, wait. Show the back again. There you go. Okay. Go. Let me go get my blue one I have. I currently don't know where my blue one is. You're gonna make the people sick. Quit it. Okay, let's open it. Let's open it. 'Cause we don't have.
You're gonna make it sick. Quit it.
We don't have a lot of percent. Oh yeah, Mom's phone's about to die.
And use your phone.
We can't.
Why?
Because my phone doesn't work to take a lot of videos. Here. Oh, there you go.
Wanna keep that, Bethany?
Sure. Okay. Quick.
Here it is, out of the package. And it says Hot Wheels 99 collection.
Zoom in. Oh, wait. No. You can put it back. There we go. Pretty cool. Okay.
Got the front there.
Yep. Nice big motor sticking out of the hood. Okay.
On the next card.
Who we gonna pick? I'm gonna pick my ass.
Scan.
Duck and roll.
Duck and roll.
Hopefully no kids say the other word that rhymes with it. There you go. That's how you open a Hot Wheels car. Oh, Mommy's phone's really close to dying. Okay, let's do this.
Duck.
Duck and roll.
Okay.
Duck and
Can
roll.
swim.
Metal.
Oh, this one says plastic metal top.
I think he means plastic top, metal base. Okay?
And I can't say it very good.
Okay. Well, it's okay. You'll learn. Okay, what are we going with next? We've opened 2. We should have 2 more. Wait. Oh, no, I gave him 1. Oh, the Rockin' Santa sled is not a new one. Okay, here we go. Jet 2Z. 2 Jet Z. Never mind. Let's open this. Oh, yep. This is the winner. The winner is Luis Rodriguez. Okay. Designer and winner. Need any help? Oh, yeah. Oh, rip those GK's cards. Look at that. Oh. Ouch. Okay, get my house.
Raven.
There we go.
That will
So that is Jet. Oh my gosh, it's dying quick. 2 Jet Z. Okay. Pretty cool.
maybe on this car.
Sorry guys, we can't do a long video. We have 13% left. It's dying quick. Which one do you open? Clip rod? Okay. I'm gonna go get some money, see if it actually clips it. Open it, quick. Here, just $1 bill. Cool car. Where are we at now? 12%. Nice. Okay, here, let's open this up. There we go. That's just $1 bill.
Let's see if it rhymes with money.
Here.
Kind of like wings.
Yeah, it does. Here. Right here's a good test track. Here. Come up here. Here, I'll take it. There you go. Stick it up right here. And now push it. See, it still runs good.
Yep.
Runs fine. So it can run with the money on the back. All right.
Open the next car.
Okay. Let's see, our second to last car
Wait, Benny.
is what? What?
That was new. Look.
It was in the C case. This is the C case car I gave him. Okay. Let's go.
Santa sleigh.
Rocking Santa sled. Yep.
Wait, it's going to speak?
No, it doesn't speak. Okay. My phone's gonna die soon.
Look.
It doesn't speak. Okay. Shakes. Oh, that's ouch. It's a collector face right there. Oh yeah.
And there it is. And mirrors.
Somebody else, look. Let me show you how it works.
Yes,
This-
I
here.
already know. I already know because I lost one.
Okay. Well, we have to stay in the. You have to stay in the frame. Okay. Okay. Show him it. You can show it to him. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Here. Let's look. Linkster prototype. The super treasure hunt of the G case, if you guys are wondering, is the GTR special edition Nissan. It's like a 17, I think. It's blue. The regular version is actually white. So it's the 50th anniversary one. Yep. Okay, let's open it. And then the regular treasure hunt is the Dodge Charger Daytona tuned. It's yellow. Okay.
Ooh, nice.
Hey, for you Pokemon fans out there, we're going to be showing a trick for Pokemon. Okay.
I want to open it.
Not yet. You have to show us the car.
What car?
The car you just opened. Yeah, just super quick. Super brief little look. So you didn't get the... There you go. That's a cool car. Doing flips. Sweet. Let's go. Let's take a little recap here. Look. That's packed, if you can see that. And we're
Tops.
good. Okay. Okay, we're going to show you Pokemon fans out there how to open and what to do to have the good cards last. So let's open here. Let me open it. Here, Miles, let me open it. Okay. It's like a baseball pack. It's so hard. Oh. Okay, so Miles, look. Remember? Look, you flip it. Oh,
Okay.
come
Benny,
on.
okay.
You flip it over. You
Okay.
put the middle card in the back or in the front here. So whenever you flip it over,
Mhm.
that's. Oh my gosh. Do it. Oh my gosh. Did you just get. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my gosh. He just got a GX. He just got a GX. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my. Guys, you need to go buy the Unified Minds packs. Right now. Let me go get a card. Let me go get a card.
Right now.
Where are the card detectives? Keep going, Miles.
See this.
Oh, guys. Oh, guys. Oh, my gosh. Oh, yeah, Grimsley. That's a mint. That's mint right there. That is mint. Let me show you guys this. Oh, yeah, we're going to die. We're at 5%. Look at that, guys. It's so shiny. You got a little star down there, so that's also rare or something like that. I forget. I'm going to go out and buy all these packs. And hopefully me and the Pokemon collector can get some cards. Yeah! If you guys are interested in any Pokemon packs, I got some. So, oh yeah. Gibble? Cute little, wait, no, that's not cute. That's weird. Oh, yeah. Made out of yarn. And Grimsley. What's he? I think that's common. No, Circle's common.
I'm going to show my this.
Oh my gosh. Here, let me show you. Here, let me show it one more time. That is a freaking awesome card right there. You could get a good bit of money off this thing.
I'm going to show mine.
Let me know down in the comments if you have one.
Wait, is it?
Guys, I'll see you later. Goodbye.